Today on DIY Creator Space, the honey-do list grows, and so we got to get it done. And the wife has really been on me about fixing this particular shower head. This is our guest shower downstairs, and we're renting this house. So everything that I need to fix, I need to get permission to fix, and the landlord authorized me to fix this shower head. The water barely comes out of this thing. And I'm gonna tell you right now, to take a shower down here, it takes forever because it's trickling water. Try and rinse yourself off, it's a really big pain. We're gonna be installing a water pick power spray right here. It's got a nice head on it. It's got like 6 different sprays that you can turn it on. But the most important part is we're actually get water pressure out of this shower head. So we're gonna get this installed on there. Okay, so the first step that we gotta do is take this off here, which is the hose. That's undone. Now we're gonna unscrew the main piece. Oh, more water.
Hey, we got more water. So now we're unscrewing the main piece and more water.
All right. Okay, so the next piece is getting this off of here. It just turns off all on its own. It's a little adapter. And that slides right off. So those two are off. We definitely want to get more Teflon tape on here to seal this up, to water seal it. Liam, if you can hand me the Teflon tape right there, bring that over here, bud. All right. And I would definitely have Liam doing this normally, but he's a little too short to reach up here. So I'm going to do this, but I am definitely having Liam involved in almost every video that I do. I mean, he's got to learn at some point. And this is a great way for a father and son to bond together, is doing projects around the house, teaching them how to do stuff so that when they get older, you know, they are self-sustained. They can do those projects on their own with them and their spouse, and their spouse will think they've been working since they were, you know, 4, like my wife thinks I was. My wife absolutely thinks I've been working since I was 4 years old, because I just, you know, like now, grew up doing stuff with my dad. I grew up doing the household projects, doing the around the house stuff. I mean, we weren't allowed to go play until stuff around the house was done when I was growing up.
Oh, wow.
Now, I'm not quite that bad with Liam, but we do have around the house projects that have to get done. Yeah. All right, so this one doesn't have a secondary piece like this to put on, where we had to unscrew it from here and then take this other piece off. This just screws directly on. So we're going to take it and twist it on there like so. All right, there we go.
Okay, so we got the piece screwed on now. And well, my dad's having a struggle time because I'm going like,
Really? You making fun of me?
Yes. Yeah, it's really weird when he does that.
All right. Now, there is a hose. It's got some stopper deals in it. These also have O-rings down at the bottom of them. It says on here, it tells me, attach this end to shower head. So this goes up here. We're gonna take that off. You don't want to be staring at this in the shower. All right, this other end, pull out the little stopper, and this goes to, wait.
Hey! I don't know.
You know what, I did read that. I promise I did. It said attach this end to shower head.
I think
this is called a shower head.
Oh wow. My dad got it on backwards. So
All right.
Okay, so my dad messed up first because he got it upside down, and now I think we are now putting on the headpiece, and now
Look at that.
there we are.
Much better shower head. It's up higher. That's one of the things I do like about it too. Is somebody that is over 6 foot can now take a shower in the shower. Before, that thing only came like, it came out further and it was like right here. So somebody 6 foot was like kind of ducking, trying to get under the shower. So
Yeah.
now what we're going to do is we're going to test it and make sure it works.
So guys, I am going to turn on the shower to see how the shower post thing works. All right? Wait. Whoa. Wait, that shoots far.
right.
So you guys may, when you get this, you may want to, scoot back and sit down on the shower because it shoots back really far. Unless you could change it. Yeah, you could change it though, but.
Okay.
Hey guys, now we are done with our shower thing, and now we're just done. And so subscribe to this video, guys. Hope you like this. Hit that thumbs up if you like it, and hit that bell if you want to join our notification squad. And yeah, guys, we will see you later. Bye, guys.
DIY Creator Space. See y'all at the next project. Talk to you
Bye,
later. Bye.
guys.